Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to do the Openwork Crochet Stitch Pattern. To get started, you'll do a foundation chain of multiples of 2 plus 1. So for this tutorial, I am going to do 11 chains total. And you will need to know how to do a double crochet and a treble crochet for this pattern. If you need help with those stitches, you can look down in the description below for links to my videos on how to do those. So here we are with our 11 chains, and you want to chain 3 to start out. So 1, 2, 3. And in the 4th chain from the hook, you will want to do your first double crochet, followed by a chain 1. We're going to skip 1 and we're going to double crochet in the next stitch. So this is our repeat, so it's a skip, double crochet, chain 1, skip, double crochet, chain 1, skip, and double crochet, chain 1. There we go. And this is our foundation, so the repeat for this pattern will be rows 2 through 6. So to get started on row 2, we want to do 4 chains. Find your chain 1 gap from the previous row, and we will do a treble crochet, followed by a chain 1, and we will treble crochet in the next chain 1 space from below. And we will repeat this, so chain 1, treble crochet in the chain 1 space below, chain 1, treble crochet in the next chain 1 space, chain 1, treble crochet in the next chain 1 space, chain 1, and the last treble crochet, instead of it doing it directly in the chain 1 space, I do it in the chain wall, like you see right here, and that's just to give our work a more smoother edges. So to get started on row 3, we are going to repeat exactly what we did on row 2, so chain 4, and treble crochet in the chain 1 space, chain 1, treble crochet in the chain 1 space, chain 1, treble crochet in the chain 1 space, and just like the row before, we do our chain 1 and we do our last treble crochet in the chain 1. Alright, you can see the pattern starting to form. So now we want to chain 2, and we will double crochet in the chain 1 space. Chain 1, double crochet in the chain 1 space. So you always want to remember, after you either do your double crochet or your treble crochet, that you're chaining 1, and you're always crocheting inside the chain 1 space, and then finishing your work in the chain wall. Whoops, whoops. There we go. So now you really see the pattern starting to form. So we're going to repeat just like we did on this last row. So chain 2, and double crochet in your chain 1 space, chain 1, double crochet in your chain 1 space, chain 1, double crochet in your chain 1 space, now here towards the end, sometimes it's hard to see where your gaps are for your chain 1 spaces. So what I did here is I actually did it purposely wrong. And what you'll end up seeing, if you end up doing it wrong, you're seeing how it ends up poking out farther on the edge. That's a good indication that you have given yourself an extra stitch. So just try to keep an eye out and making sure that you do the right chain walls. And sometimes it just looks a little weird, but just take your time. So there we go, that's much smoother side. Alright, and for the last row, we're going to repeat again. So chain 2, and we're going to single crochet in the chain 1 space. Chain 1, single crochet in the chain 1 space. Sorry, double crochet, my apologies. Chain 1, double crochet in the chain 1 space. And this is how you do the Openwork Crochet Pattern. You'll end up just repeating rows 2 through 6. And you can do it as big as you want. And the more you do, the more detail shows, and it ends up being super cool looking, as you can tell. If you found this video helpful, please do give it a like, and I really do hope that you have a happy crochet day.